Yeah.
Speed. Yo, Speed, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yo, bro, I'm gonna pull the fire alarm for you.
No.
I got you, Speed.
Chill. Yo! Did he just pull a fucking fire alarm?